CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.7 Explain common methods for securing mobile and embedded devices. BYOD versus corporate-owned. Mobile devices have become a vital part of corporate environments, offering flexibility, communication, and productivity on the go. From emails to business apps, these devices are indispensable. But with this increasing reliance comes a critical decision for organizations, whether to issue corporate-owned devices or allow employees to use their own personal devices, also known as Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD for short. When a company provides mobile devices to employees, it retains full control over their configuration and usage. These devices are typically preloaded with necessary software and security settings, ensuring they meet the organization's specific needs. With corporate-owned devices, companies can enforce strict profile security requirements, limiting which apps can be installed and ensuring sensitive data is encrypted. This approach also allows for full monitoring of the device's activity, ensuring compliance with corporate policies. The downside? Employees may feel restricted by the policies enforced on corporate-owned devices, and it can be costly for the company to purchase and maintain an entire fleet of devices. Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD, provides an alternative to corporate-owned devices, allowing employees to use their personal devices for work. Basically, it is a policy that permits employees to bring personally owned devices to the workplace and use them to access company resources. This setup has some definite perks. Companies don't need to invest as heavily in device purchases, and employees often appreciate using familiar devices. However, this freedom comes with potential risks. Security is a major concern, as personal devices might not meet the same security standards as corporate-owned ones. It's harder to enforce consistent updates, data encryption, or limit apps on a personal device. Additionally, separating personal data from corporate data can be challenging, raising concerns about privacy for both the company and the employee. So, what's the solution to the security pitfalls of BYOD? Simple. That would be mobile device management. This was a topic we discussed back in Exam Objective 2.1, but I can certainly cover it again since it is relevant here too. Mobile Device Management, or MDM, is a technology that allows IT administrators to control, secure, and enforce policies on mobile devices. MDM is the key to managing and securing not just BYOD devices, but corporate-owned devices as well. With MDM, companies can enforce compliance on mobile devices by applying consistent security policies across the board. This ensures that all devices, whether corporate-issued or personally owned, meet the same stringent security requirements. An MDM works by allowing administrators to remotely control certain aspects of a mobile device, such as managing application installations, enforcing encryption, and setting security protocols. For example, a company can specify which apps are allowed to be installed and block unauthorized or risky apps. Additionally, encryption policies can be enforced to safeguard company data, ensuring that sensitive information is protected even if a device is lost or stolen. One of the biggest advantages of MDM is its ability to perform remote wipes. If a device is compromised, lost, or stolen, MDM can remotely delete sensitive data from the device, protecting the company from potential breaches. This feature is particularly important in a BYOD environment, where personal and corporate data may coexist on the same device. But wait, there's more. MDM can track the device's location and ensure it remains compliant with security protocols such as regular OS updates, password strength, and access control settings. With all these MDM features, organizations can minimize risks associated with mobile devices, be it corporate-issued or personally owned. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.